You know that feeling when you're staring at a bunch of information, a list of numbers, maybe a spreadsheet, and it just looks like total chaos? It's really hard to see the story hidden in there. But what if you could? Today, we're going to check out a super simple tool that turns all that numerical noise into instant crystal clarity.
So take a look at this list of numbers. It's just a jumble, right? If I gave you, say, 3 seconds to tell me something meaningful about this group, what could you really say? It's tough, isn't it? I mean, you could probably find the smallest or the biggest number if you stare at it long enough. But what's the most common number here? Where do all the values seem to clump together? Yeah, it's not obvious at all. The story is completely hidden in there.
Right now, it's just noise. But what if there was a way to make these numbers almost magically arrange themselves into a shape we could understand? A story we could read in a single glance.
Well, guess what? There is. Let me introduce you to the hero of our explainer, the dot plot. It's probably one of the most straightforward ways to visualize data. All it does is use dots to show how often each number pops up. Basically, it turns a boring list of numbers into a really useful picture. So how do we actually pull off this little bit of data magic? Let's walk through it step by step and see how we can turn that chaos into some real clarity.
Okay, let's go back to that original set of numbers. To make it a little easier to think about, let's give them some context. Let's pretend these are the ages of kids in a small classroom. Putting them in a table helps a little, I guess, but it's still just a list. And making one of these couldn't be easier. Seriously, it's just 3 steps. First, you just draw a basic number line. Step 2, you go through your list one number at a time, and you put a dot above that number on your line. And third, if a number shows up again, you just stack another dot right on top of the first one. That's it. And just like that, boom, the numbers we started with now actually have a shape. You can see right away that the ages 10 and 11 are the most common. Each of them has 3 students. We took a messy list and created a visual story out of it.
So making the plot is one thing. That's cool. But the real power comes from knowing how to read it. Now we're going to dig into what this new visual story is actually telling us.
Okay, to get some practice with this, let's use a new example. Something pretty relatable. Let's say we asked a bunch of people how many hours a week they spend on their favorite hobby. And here's the dot plot we got from their answers. Just by looking at it, what's the very first thing that jumps out at you? What kind of patterns do you see starting to form with those dots? This right here is the most important question for any kind of chart or graph. We turned a list of numbers into a picture. But so what? What new information did we actually get by doing that? Well, we can see a ton of stuff instantly. We can see the most common values, what statisticians call the mode, just by looking for the tallest stacks of dots. We can see the entire range of the data, the spread. We can see where the numbers tend to cluster together. And we can even spot any weird outliers or gaps. It's like a complete summary in one simple image. The difference here is just night and day. On one side, you've got that confusing jumble of numbers. On the other side, you have a clear, simple story. For this group, it's most common to spend either 2 or 3 hours a week on a hobby. That's a real insight that was totally invisible before. So, this is a neat little trick, right? But why does it actually matter in the real world? Let's zoom out a bit and talk about why seeing the world in dots is such a surprisingly powerful skill to have. This is definitely not just some abstract thing you do in math class. This is a fundamental skill for making sense of the information that's flying at us every single day. You could even say it's a tool for thinking more clearly. And you can use this for almost anything. Think about it. You could visualize test scores to see how a whole class did. You could plot the heights of players on a basketball team, the number of books you read each month, or even daily temperatures. Pretty much any set of numbers can be brought to life like this. And really, that's what this is all about. A dot plot is like a bridge. It's a super simple tool that takes raw, messy information on one side and turns it into a clear, understandable story on the other, helping you find that hidden pattern in all the noise. So the next time you're faced with a jumble of data, just remember this. Every single number, every little dot, has its own tiny story to tell. But when you arrange them in a dot plot, they all work together to paint a much bigger, clearer picture. The only question left is, what pictures are out there waiting for you to find?